The struggles and triumphs of Elon Musk, the road to greatness. Hello, my brilliant friends. We're diving into the incredible life of Elon Musk, a man who dreamed big and never gave up, no matter how difficult things got. He faced failures, doubts, and challenges that would have made most people quit. But instead of giving up, he turned every obstacle into an opportunity. As we go through his story, pay attention to the key words and phrases I'll share. This isn't just about learning English, it's about understanding how determination, curiosity, and hard work can change the world. So grab a pen, stay focused, and let's begin this exciting journey of learning, inspiration, and success. Chapter 1: Elon Musk's Childhood and Early Interests. Have you ever felt like you didn't belong? Like no one understood your dreams? If so, you might relate to a young boy from Pretoria, South Africa, Elon Musk. From an early age, Elon was different. While other kids played soccer, he buried himself in books and computers, fascinated by space travel and artificial intelligence. But childhood wasn't easy. He was bullied in school and often felt like an outcast. At home, things were tough too. His parents divorced, leaving him to figure things out on his own. Despite these struggles, Elon never stopped dreaming. At just 12 years old, he taught himself programming and created a video game called Blastar, which he sold for $500. It was a small victory, but it planted the seed of something bigger. He spent hours reading about engineering, science, and technology, inspired by great inventors like Nikola Tesla and Thomas Edison. Yet, most people around him didn't see the world the way he did. Little did he know, this was just the beginning of a journey filled with failures, heartbreaks, and self-doubt. Chapter 2: Elon Musk's Journey to the USA and Education. At 17, Elon left South Africa, searching for a better future. He arrived in Canada and worked hard, doing tough jobs cleaning boilers, shoveling dirt, and cutting logs just to survive. It was exhausting work, but he never complained. Eventually, he made his way to the University of Pennsylvania, where he studied physics and economics. He had big dreams, to revolutionize the internet, energy, and space exploration. But dreams don't come easy. He struggled to fit in, often isolating himself with books and ideas. To pay for tuition, he worked multiple jobs, even turning a frat house into a nightclub to earn extra money. While others partied, he stayed up late thinking about the future of humanity. He believed artificial intelligence, the internet, and space travel would change the world. After graduation, he faced a tough decision: start a PhD at Stanford or enter the booming internet industry. He took the risk, and it changed his life forever. Chapter 3: First Failures, First Successes. In the mid-90s, Elon co-founded Zip2, an online city guide for newspapers. He and his brother, Kimball, worked tirelessly, sleeping in their office and showering at a nearby YMCA. Investors rejected them, clients weren't interested, and competition was fierce. Was this a mistake? Should he have stayed in academia? The doubts crept in, but he didn't stop. Then in 1999, Compaq bought Zip2 for $307 million. Elon walked away with $22 million. It was his first big win, but money wasn't his goal, innovation was. He launched XCOM, an online banking platform that later became PayPal. But again, success didn't come easy. He faced investor doubts, internal conflicts, and was eventually removed as CEO. It was a crushing blow. Yet when eBay bought PayPal for $1.5 billion, Elon became a multimillionaire. But he wasn't satisfied. He wanted to change the world. Chapter 4: SpaceX, Tesla, and Risking It All. If you had hundreds of millions of dollars, what would you do? Buy an island? Travel the world? Elon did something different. He invested almost everything into 3 industries: space, SpaceX, electric cars, Tesla, and renewable energy, Solar City. People thought he was crazy. Space was controlled by governments, electric cars seemed impossible, and renewable energy wasn't profitable. But Elon had a vision. His companies, however, struggled. SpaceX's first 3 rocket launches exploded, Tesla was close to bankruptcy, and Solar City wasn't gaining traction. By 2008, he had run out of money. Investors pulled out. His personal life crumbled. Would he quit or fight back? Chapter 5: Overcoming Challenges and Achieving Breakthroughs. Elon refused to give up. He secured last-minute funding for Tesla, and in December 2008, SpaceX finally launched a successful rocket into orbit. NASA took notice and awarded them a $1.6 billion contract. Tesla survived and later introduced the Model S, a car that changed the auto industry forever. One by one, his companies began to thrive. SpaceX became the first private company to dock with the International Space Station. Tesla revolutionized electric vehicles. Solar City advanced renewable energy. Elon had done the impossible, but he wasn't finished. Chapter 6: New Innovations and the Future. Elon continued to push boundaries. He founded Neuralink, aiming to connect human brains with computers to help people with neurological disorders. His company, The Boring Company, works on underground tunnels to reduce urban traffic. He also co-founded OpenAI, researching artificial intelligence for the benefit of humanity. His latest projects include Tesla's self-driving technology, SpaceX's Starship, which aims to send humans to Mars, and robotics advancements to improve human efficiency. His ultimate goal? To create a future where humans and AI coexist, energy is sustainable, and space travel becomes an everyday reality. Chapter 7: Controversies and Criticism. Elon Musk is as controversial as he is brilliant. His bold statements, risky business moves, and unfiltered tweets often spark debates. He has faced lawsuits, regulatory investigations, and backlash for his leadership style. Critics argue that his work culture is too demanding and his projects too ambitious. Employees have reported intense work environments, and Tesla has faced challenges in production and labor disputes. Despite all this, his companies continue to break records and push technological boundaries. Whether loved or criticized, Musk remains one of the most influential figures of the modern era. Chapter 8: The Future of Humanity. His vision for the next century. Musk envisions a future where humans live on Mars, AI enhances daily life, and renewable energy powers the world. His projects Starship, Tesla AI, Neuralink, and renewable energy advancements are all part of this long-term vision. From terraforming Mars to making AI safer for humanity, his vision extends far beyond our time. Whether he succeeds or not, one thing is certain: his work is shaping the future of humanity. Chapter 9: Lessons for Dreamers. Elon Musk's life is proof that success doesn't come easy. He faced failures, criticism, and impossible challenges, but he never gave up. His journey from a curious boy in South Africa to the billionaire CEO of Tesla, SpaceX, and other groundbreaking companies teaches us valuable lessons. If you have big dreams, these lessons can guide you toward achieving them. One failure is not the end, it's a step toward success. Elon Musk has experienced failure more than most people. In the early days of SpaceX, his first 3 rocket launches ended in explosions. Each failure cost millions of dollars and pushed the company to the edge of bankruptcy. Critics called him reckless, and investors started losing faith. But instead of giving up, Musk learned from each mistake and kept improving. On the 4th attempt, the Falcon 1 rocket successfully reached orbit, saving SpaceX from collapse. The lesson? Failure is not the end of the road, it's just part of the journey. Every setback is an opportunity to learn, grow, and try again. If you fail, don't stop. Keep pushing forward, and success will eventually follow. 2. Hard work matters. Success requires relentless effort. Many people admire Musk's success, but few realize the extreme effort behind it. He often works 80 to 100 hours a week, sleeping in the Tesla factory or on his office floor just to ensure progress. When Tesla was struggling financially, he invested his last personal savings to keep the company alive. Success isn't just about talent or ideas, it's about effort. Musk once said, "Work like hell." I mean, you just have to put in 80 to 100-hour weeks. If other people are putting in 40-hour work weeks and you're putting in 100-hour work weeks, then even if you're doing the same thing, you will achieve in 4 months what it takes them a year to achieve. If you want to achieve something great, you must be willing to work harder than anyone else. 3. Ignore the critics. Focus on your vision. From the start, Musk's ideas seemed crazy to many people. When he talked about sending rockets to Mars, people laughed. When he promised to build electric cars that could compete with gasoline cars, experts doubted him. When he introduced the idea of Hyperloop, some called it science fiction. But Musk didn't let criticism stop him. He believed in his vision and kept moving forward. Today, SpaceX is launching missions for NASA, Tesla is leading the electric vehicle industry, and Neuralink is working on connecting the human brain to computers. The world will always have critics, but their opinions don't define your potential. Believe in your dreams, work on them, and let success be your response. 4. Think long-term. Great achievements take time. Musk doesn't just think about today, he plans for decades into the future. His ultimate goal is to make humans a multiplanetary species by colonizing Mars. While most companies focus on short-term profits, Musk invests in long-term solutions like sustainable energy, artificial intelligence, and space exploration. Big dreams don't happen overnight. When SpaceX was founded in 2002, many thought it would fail. More than 20 years later, it's now the first private company to send humans to space. If you have a dream, don't expect immediate success. Be patient, keep working, and trust the process. Great things take time. 5. Stay curious, never stop learning. Musk is not just an entrepreneur, he is a lifelong learner. Despite having no formal education in rocket science, he read books on the subject and surrounded himself with experts. Today, he runs SpaceX, one of the most advanced aerospace companies in the world. He once said, "I think most people can learn a lot more than they think they can. They sell themselves short without trying." The key to success is continuous learning. Read books, ask questions, and stay curious. No matter how much you know, there is always more to learn. Elon Musk's journey teaches us that dreams are possible if you are willing to fail, work hard, ignore critics, think long-term, and keep learning. Success is not for those who wait, it's for those who take action, even when the odds are against them. So what's your dream? And more importantly, what are you doing to make it real? Dream big, work hard, never stop learning. We hope you enjoy the story and learn something new today. Want to improve your English even more? Don't stop here. Keep learning with us.